Hey, what's up, guys? I'm at my dad's house and it's raining in Nevada, and I'm with my cousin. He's over there, over there.
I see. There's my cousin.
It's raining pretty bad.
Hey, show the camera.
Hi. And we made a waterfall over there, by a tree over there.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go show you that it's pretty bad here. We actually, I don't know, maybe a month ago, we actually had rain for 1 week straight and everything. So let's go and show them. Waterfall.
I'm technically showing him twice.
Yeah.
So
My phone messed up, so we had to restart, and his is already going. So let's go. Start of it kind of freezes.
But yeah, this is a beauty right here.
Yep. We made this by ourselves. We dug stuff and everything. Put rocks and everything in it. There's a second with a waterfall.
Yeah, waterfall's right there. Anything else?
No, I'm just gonna get this back. Over there. Muddy hand. Ugh. I'm not gonna show my cousin his face.
You already did, Aiden.
This is a new video.
Yeah,
I haven't showed your face yet. Oh yeah, I have.
Yeah. Anything else?
Yeah. Probably already saw our base. It's really not that good.
Yeah, well, I'm about 8 minutes in.
Yeah, I'm only 2 since I have to restart and everything.
Anyway.
There's my dad's car and everything. I'm not going to show license plates.
Yeah, because we don't like anyone stealing VIN numbers and all that. So anyway, this is just a normal Saturday. Subscribe.
Yep, looking to his channel.
Subscribe to my cousin, Big Boss 1738.
Yeah, I think.
Link will be in the description and or the comments.
And listen, subscribe to. Come on.
Yeah, I already said it. Plus, I already ended it.
He's already under. So, bye. Like and subscribe.